Hi, I'm Jennifer Cona. Welcome to Cona's Corner. A lot of people have been asking us about taxes and the election that's coming up, and if they should be doing anything in advance of the election as to their taxes and anticipated changes. And the answer really is yes. Not so much because of the election, but really because of the estate tax laws that will be sunsetting at the end of December 2025. So what that means is that we are in a historically very high estate tax exemption situation right now, where the federal exemption right now is $13.6 million, meaning that you can give that number away to your heirs and not pay any estate taxes, and you can double that if you have a spouse. And for New York State purposes, that number is $6.5 million. So that figure for federal purposes is going to expire because laws sunset after 10 years at the end of 2025. That will happen whether Trump is in office or Kamala Harris is in office, unless the president-elect makes a move to change that law and Congress approves it. So a lot of things have to happen with who wins the election and who takes control of the House and the Senate. So a lot of variables, and probably not likely that all of those things line up. So what people should be doing now is looking at their assets and their estate plan and making changes now while they have the opportunity before that law sunsets. Because once it does, all of the opportunities that you can do now are gone and forever gone. So anyone who has a high net worth should be looking at things like dynasty trusts for children and grandchildren, spousal limited access trusts, maximizing lifetime gifts to children, grandchildren, other family members, and just any other way to make gifts, maybe of highly appreciated assets, things like that you can do now, which, like I said, those opportunities will be lost in the future over the next year and a half. So people need to get on it now. You don't want to wait till the last minute, because that's like waiting to have your taxes done when your account is slammed with everybody else. You don't want to do that when your attorney will barely have any time for you. So think about that. Get on it now while you can. And if you're not a high net worth individual, you should still be taking this opportunity to review your estate plan. All adults should have an estate plan, and that could simply be for you a last will and testament and advance directives. Maybe you need a trust for asset protection, maybe not. Everyone's situation is different. But it's a good time and a good opportunity and reminder to check your estate plan, make sure it still comports with your wishes, make sure the agents you have named are still appropriate people, make sure that this still keeps pace with the state of your affairs now. And that's always something that you need to keep in mind when it comes to your estate plan. Don't set it and forget it. Review it at least every 5 years, and more often if things have happened in your life or the life of your beneficiaries such that things have changed. So that's today's takeaway. I hope this information was helpful, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.